I've always played for winning and for doing it because I wanted to win so bad. It was almost as if I needed to win. But now I play for fun. I go out there and I have fun on the court, and it's for the first time. And my dad has been telling me for years, Serena, you have to relax, you have to have fun. But now I understand what he was saying, and it's a fun sport.
J'ai pas pu être joueur professionnel et je me suis dit peut-être qu'une manière pour moi de vivre ça autrement, c'est de permettre à d'autres de le faire et de les y amener et de les amener le plus loin possible dans le tennis.
Unfortunately, I'm the type of person that's never satisfied. Like today I was on the court telling Patrick how everything wasn't working and it was looking bad and I feel worse. And he's like, no, you're doing better. So I don't know. I don't feel like it's there. But I've never went to a tournament where I felt like everything was there. So maybe it's a good thing.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But no one really speaks too much when I'm on the court. We just kind of hit as hard as we can for as long as we can and then have breaks in between.
Comment on travaille avec Serena? On ne peut pas travailler avec Serena comme on travaille avec les autres joueurs et joueuses parce que d'abord elle a 31 ans, qu'elle a un historique énorme et une expérience énorme et un nombre de victoires en Grand Chelem énorme. Mon premier objectif, c'est de ne pas leur faire perdre quelque chose déjà. Parce que c'est très facile de faire des changements. N'importe quel changement a des conséquences positives et des conséquences négatives. N'importe lequel. C'est encore plus vrai chez une Serena qui sait tellement bien comment gagner et comment être performante. Mon premier objectif avec elle, c'était de comprendre comment elle fonctionnait. Il y a des choses que j'ai vues qui étaient des choses qui, par expérience, je savais il y avait très peu de risques de la déstabiliser et qui ne pouvaient qu'apporter du positif. Ces choses-là, je les ai faites tout de suite. On les a mises en œuvre dès le départ. Ça a été de trouver plus d'équilibre dans ses postures, dans ses frappes. Par exemple, d'aller plus au contact de la balle.
I can't get those. I can't.
We have the movie, if you want.
Even if it was on the movie, I wouldn't believe it. Were you playing lefty?
I'm lefty.
See, so you're playing lefty. Our relationship started rocky a little bit, and it's funny how when you start little not so good, it ends up being good. So, but we have a secret handshake now. So we're always laughing with each other, and he's really nice. He's really, really funny, and he's a great guy. I really love Jeremy.
Play for winning a point, okay? You can win every point. I mean, he's gonna win a few, but there is no point you cannot win. Go for it.
pense que quand elle joue contre des filles, elle met beaucoup de pression parce que voilà, moi quand je joue avec elle, si je veux, je peux arrondir et jouer au lifté. Donc voilà, c'est plus difficile de venir prendre tôt à plat, mais je pense que contre des filles, à chaque fois, elle doit arriver à avancer bien dans le court, se servir de la vitesse de la balle qui arrive à plat et boum, rejouer encore plus vite. Donc je pense que ça va être un bon enfer pour les autres filles.
I loved her hair. How come you didn't get that hair?
I guess it's my father's hair, more like straight.
That would have been awesome if you had the big hair. That would be really
sure.
cool.
I leave that up to you. It's okay. Well, my role in the academy is pretty much being the consultant, like being all the players, they already have a coach, they have their parents, and I'm the one extra giving advice, giving back some of my experience that I had during my career, during my matches, the tournaments that I played, and yeah, this is my main role.
Tout le monde savait que c'était une des plus grandes tacticiennes, peut-être de l'histoire du tennis, peut-être même la plus grande tacticienne de l'histoire du tennis. Et je me suis dit, c'est quelque chose qu'elle peut apporter aussi aux coachs, aux joueurs, son regard à elle. Finalement, le seul moment de l'année où tout le monde est là, ensemble, réunis, et où on peut vraiment ressentir cette force du groupe et vivre l'aventure ensemble, c'est maintenant. C'est pour ça qu'au-delà des programmes très individualisés qu'ont chaque joueur, on a mis en place un certain nombre d'activités sportives, d'abord physiques, en commun, notamment une course d'orientation, des sports collectifs, un triathlon, un bike and run. Toutes ces activités, on les fait en commun par équipe pour ressentir cette force du groupe, et puis des activités de loisirs aussi. Voilà, c'est un moment quelque part unique dans la saison et que les joueurs apprécient beaucoup parce qu'il ne faut pas croire, les joueurs souffrent beaucoup d'être toute l'année seuls avec leur coach sur le circuit.
You have to get. Oh, it's possible. It's not the first time you play. Come on.
Bonsoir. So this is where we enter. Bonsoir. Right behind you. Bonsoir. Well, where's the lady at?
Lauren travels with us everywhere, and so I got used to having someone travel with me, and Patrick told me that there was going to be a lot of food here, and I want to eat well, and I want to be really, really ready the best I can for Australia. So when I get to Australia, I can say that I did the best I can, win or whether I lose, at least I know I tried. And I like it. I like that I feel like I'm eating healthy. I mean, sometimes I'll eat a little bit from the buffet, but most times I eat my food and I feel good.
Okay. Up. Good. Up. Again. Keep.
Him. Spring, stay. Small step, control. Bottom down. Control, bottom down. Push, bottom down. Push it. Good. Hands. Possible arms. Use your arms. Down, up. Push. Allez. Keep. Hop. Allez, and push. Okay.
Going to the academy, I had to work with someone else, and so that's kind of how Sebastian and I originally started building our relationship. We'd work on a few things and get started, and just little by little, it wasn't complete handing over my complete fitness until I got here in Mauritius, and then we had a conversation before I got here about things I wanted to work on, about things I wanted to improve. The guy works extremely hard, and when I don't want to do it, he just kind of looks like this, and then I know that I have to do it.
Okay, keep again. Keep. keep, break the motion, good, good. Allez, Serena, small step, control. Control, good job, good job. Fast feet, but control your feet, good job, good job. Turning around, 8, good, good. Allez, Serena, with me, control. Here, Lucy here. Lucy, here, with me, clean, clean. Find the right. You're Lucy, you're with me. Control it, control it. Come on. You're Lucy. Allez, you're with me, we go to the line. Come on, come on, come on. Here you are, you follow me. Continue, again, you follow me. Keep the footwork, the line is here. Serena, keep it. Come on. One more. Good. And go run. Kill yourself, run.
No gratitude or love. Your loyalty is not to me, but to the
When you have won a lot, you have different goals. And my goal when I first came out was to win a Grand Slam. And now my goal is to have higher numbers. So I think I have fun, and I feel like I'm still at a point where I'm able to compete and do that. And so that's my goal, is just to get as many as I can while I can and to stay healthy.
Pour pouvoir finir justement dans les 20 premiers, il faut arriver à faire des bons coups dans les gros tournois et en même temps être solide toute la saison. Donc voilà, c'est pour ça que je travaille et on verra bien à la fin de l'année.
way.